Today we're going to be having a look at PTE Short Answer Question and some tips and strategies for maximising your score. You get 10 to 12 short answer question tasks in the PTE test. And in this part of the test we're scoring points in the listening and the speaking sections. So if you have trouble with scoring the desired grade in listening and speaking, this is one area you can really boost your score. In this part of the test, you hear each 3 to 6 second question through your headphones. Then you get 10 seconds to record your answer. Most questions only require one word as the answer, but sometimes 2 or 3 words are needed. There is 1 mark for each question, and there are no half marks in this part of the test. You need to make sure that your answer is the most logical and specific. Really, this means really focusing on the most specific term that a native speaker would usually use to answer the question. You have 10 seconds, as we've said, to give your answer. One of the key mistakes is thinking in silence for 3 seconds and then answering after 4 or 5 seconds. Unfortunately, this doesn't work, as the microphone automatically cuts off after 3 seconds of silence. The key here is to make sure you use pause fillers to keep the microphone open. For example, so, well, yeah, this will help you keep the microphone open, and it means that even if the answer comes to you after 8 or 9 seconds, you still have the chance to give your answer. It should be the word that native speakers would most often use. One of the key tips that most students and guides miss is that you have as many tries as you want within the 10 seconds. It doesn't matter how many wrong answers you give, as long as the right word is included somewhere in the 10 seconds. The computer will scan your answer and pick out the correct word. For example, question 1. What is the name given to a person who fixes people's teeth? The answer is dentist. If I said psychologist, doctor, dentist, chiropractor, engineer, I would still get the same 1 point as the student who only said dentist. Let's try another one. Question 2. What is the term used for the most common printed item found in a library? The answer, publication, magazine, book, encyclopedia, would be correct, as it contains the correct word book. Publication, magazine, journal, newspaper or encyclopedia are all wrong answers, but that would not affect your score. The word publication, for example, is too general. Magazine, journal, newspaper are not the most common items in most libraries. Encyclopedia is unnecessarily specific. It's all about having multiple attempts and trying to say the most specific, most common term. Remember, practice is key, and good luck in the test. Please click the link below to have a look at our blog, where we have some examples for you to practice. Take care. Bye-bye.